Welcome back to Module 2 of AES 6660. So we're going to talk about what we're going to do in our Module 2. So click on that. You could always go to the overview. What we're going to do this week is explore current trends in tactical training. Specifically, you'll be discussing the training of police, military, firefighters, etc. And you are required to participate in discussion boards and complete the Module 2 assignments. Okay, so, and we're going to continue working on a comprehensive project, the CAT assignment. All right, so let's look over this. So we have our readings and resources. So we have our required readings. We have another podcast for you to listen to. And then you have these another article for you to read, and all these are different things that you'll use. The consort, Pedro, strobe are for the assignment, which I'll talk about in a little bit, and the firefighting one is another article that you'll use for the discussion board. And then we have more videos for you to watch that'll be beneficial for you for doing the CAT assignment for this week. And we have another article for you to complete. So get all that and we'll talk about our activities. So let's go to our assignment here. By day 14, which is the Sunday, the second week, you're going to complete Figure 1 and Table 1, and I've provided a template here for you and an example of what that should look like. This is what the completed CAT assignment is going to look like. So please use this as your help. And then you're going to download this template. What you're going to do is you're going to find 3 to 5 original studies. Original studies means it's not a systematic review, a meta-analysis, or literature review. They have to be original research conducted within the last 5 years. So you're going to analyze those particular studies, and you're going to complete this assignment. So I'll show you on the screen what this looks like, the template. You're going to provide your focus clinical question or your PICO question here. You make sure you remove all your directions. Then you're going to complete the search strategy. What terms did you use to do your literature review by patient, your P, by your intervention, by your comparison and your outcome? What databases did you search? What inclusion criteria and exclusion criteria did you provide? Then you're going to provide a summary of your results of your research in a narrative form. Again, you can see that in the completed examples here. So then you're going to use the evidence quality assessments to, first you're going to tell me which ones you used. Did you use a Pedro, strobe, etc., and why these were selected to make sure to cite these assessments. So you're just going to say for the 3 articles or 4 articles, for article by Smith et al. 2024, whatever, strobe was used to assess, then you're just going to list those out. Then you're going to provide a summary of the evidence scores for each article. What issues or concerns caused the article to lose some points on the assessment strategy, and cite each article and assessment used, and refer to Article B or Appendix B, because you're going to place all the completed tools in the appendix. Then you're going to provide references. You're going to complete this figure, and then you're going to complete this table, and I provided directions here for you to complete this table. Make sure that you look at the completed sample paper that I provided. So that's the assignment due by day 14. By day 4, you're going to complete this discussion board, answering the following questions. What are the specialized needs or considerations one must take when training a tactical population? How would you integrate training program to be influenced by their job or duties? Again, the tactical would be police, military, firefighters, etc. Then you're going to do that by Thursday or day 4, and then you're going to respond to 2 additional students. Again, remember always to support what you write by citing your references. Then in Module 2B, Tactical Populations here, by day 11 of week 2, develop a post-discussion prompt that pertains to the module topic. So you're going to provide the question for other students to respond to. Remember that the prompt are supposed to be to create a discussion, not simply a short answer. So your question should be open-ended. You should support your initial prompting with a minimum of 2 peer-reviewed journal articles. So your prompt should have about a paragraph to 2 paragraphs, and then you'll post a question based on what you've learned. Again, so you'll cite those 2 peer-reviewed journal articles and the post with your question that you want other students to respond to, and then by day 14 you should respond to a minimum of your 2 peers with a response that should be a minimum of 1 paragraph in length. And that's it for Module 2. If you have any questions, feel free to post them in the Course Cafe or contact me via email or text.